Do you want to make jaw-breaking edits without spending a penny? Well, today I've got you covered with 5 video editing apps for your smartphones that will change the way you create your content forever. So without wasting my time, let's dive into the apps themselves. Starting off with the first one, you have CapCut. CapCut is hands down one of the best pre-video editing apps for your smartphones. It's got everything you need, and I'm not just saying this for hype. It's got tons of transition, effects, text animation, and even AI-powered tools like auto captioning. It's super easy to use. One thing I love about CapCut is that it has a beginner-friendly interface. So if you are new to video editing, you can literally start cutting and adding effects in minutes. But don't let that fool you. CapCut has surprisingly advanced features like keyframe animation, speed ramping, and even background removal, which is insane for a free app. Now, is it perfect? Not exactly. If you need pro-level color grading or multiple-layer timelines, CapCut might be limited. Also, while it is free, some of the coolest effects and cloud storage features might require a login, which can be annoying. So if you're a TikTok creator, a YouTuber making shorts, or somebody trying to edit social media videos on the go, CapCut is no-brainer. It's free, powerful, and constantly getting new features. So if you haven't tried it yet, you are seriously missing out. Next up is InShot. InShot is one of the video editing apps that just get the job done. It's simple, fast, and packed with just the right features to make your videos stand out, without overwhelming you with complicated tools. Right off the bat, the interface is super clean and easy to navigate. Whether you are trimming clips, adding text, or throwing in some cool transitions, it feels smooth and intuitive. One thing I really love about InShot is how quickly you can put a video together. It's perfect for Instagram Reels, YouTube Shorts, or TikToks when you need polished edits fast. And while InShot is amazing for short content creation, it also has limits. Unlike CapCut, it doesn't have keyframe animation and multi-layer editing, and some pro-level controls. Also, there's a watermark in the free version, which you can remove by watching an ad, which isn't bad. So if you're a beginner who wants quick and easy ways to edit without digging into complex settings, InShot is perfect. It is lightweight, efficient, and gets content ready to post in no time. Next up is VN Editor. Now if you're looking for a free mobile editor which looks like a mini Premiere Pro, let me introduce you to VN Editor, one of the best pro-level editing apps you can get on your phone. Unlike CapCut and InShot, VN gives you a timeline-based editing, which means you can stick multiple audio and video layers, just like you would do on a computer. It also has keyframe animation, speed control, and advanced text editing, and LUT support for color grading, which is crazy for a free app. One thing I love about VN is that you are not just making quick edits, but you can fine-tune everything, from precise transition to audio adjustments. This is perfect for YouTubers, vloggers, or anyone who wants to create polished long-form content. But here is the thing, VN isn't beginner-friendly as CapCut and InShot. If you are new to video editing, the interface might take a little time getting used to. Also, while it is free, it does require you to create an account for cloud syncing and extra features. So if you are serious about stepping up your mobile editing game and wanting something that gives you professional tools without subscription, then VN is the best. If you are looking for an app that is simple, no fuss, and get the job done without annoying watermarks, then YouCut is a must-try. Unlike CapCut, which focuses on fancy effects and multi-layer editing, YouCut is all about speed and simplicity. It is lightweight, easy to use, and perfect for quick edits, whether you are trimming clips, adding music, or making a slideshow. Now let's be real, YouCut isn't meant for complex editing. If you need things like keyframe animation, chroma key, and multiple layer support, you might feel a little bit limited. But all you need is a clean, easy to use editor for making high quality videos. Then YouCut is perfect for you. Last but not the least, PowerDirector. If you need desktop level editing on your phone, then PowerDirector is a must check-out app. Unlike simpler editors like CapCut and InShot, PowerDirector is designed for serious editing. It gives you multi-track timeline, 4K video export, and chroma key for green screen, and stabilization tool for shaky videos. It gives you all the features you definitely find in a typical professional editor. The interface feels a bit more like a real editing suite, with horizontal timelines like those you find in Premiere Pro. If you are used to video editing on PC, you'll feel right at home here. It is not beginner friendly, and also it adds a watermark to a video which you need to pay for subscription before it is removed, which is a downside for this app. So there you have it, 5 free video editing apps for your smartphone. Whether you are looking for quick and easy edits with CapCut and InShot, or advanced edits with VN Editor, or simple and easy edits with YouCut, there's an app for everyone. So which app do you think is the best? Or do you have a personal favorite? Let me know in the comments. If this video was helpful, hit the like button. It really helps the channel. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for more awesome tech tips.